You feel like you're just running in place. The numbers in your bank account keep growing, yet your daily anxiety only seems to multiply. You watch the financial world shift rapidly around you. You remain entirely stuck waiting for a devastating storm. The traditional safety net you diligently built over decades now feels like a heavy iron anchor pulling you relentlessly downward. Let's dive right into this explainer of the source material. We need to figure out what's really happening today.
You know, the old strategies are slowly dying. The revered 60-40 portfolio is officially obsolete. Traditional stocks and bonds no longer provide real safety. You watch inflation silently destroy your hard-earned purchasing power. It constantly eats away at your core capital like an invisible moth trapped inside a dark, forgotten closet. 1. You literally fear waking up to find your legacy gone. $1 million simply doesn't buy what it used to. Being trapped in outdated investment molds is your biggest obstacle. 1. You're playing by rules the ultra-wealthy abandoned years ago. 2. The wealthy realize that staying completely stagnant is the absolute fastest route to total financial ruin.
The current financial landscape is incredibly complex. It's highly uncertain and entirely unforgiving right now. Relying only on traditional assets leaves you entirely exposed. Imagine you're standing on a crumbling cliff of paper money. You desperately need a solid stone bridge to a safe, impenetrable fortress. Alternative investments provide that exact vital crossing for you. They act as your ultimate, unbreakable financial safety net. These unique assets operate completely outside the frantic, daily swings of the regular stock market. They offer genuine shelter when traditional markets enter absolute freefall, strictly protecting your wealth from systemic collapse. Shifting your capital into these alternative spaces is no longer a luxury. It's a fundamental necessity for your absolute financial survival.
Number 1. We call this the absolute sovereignty of tangible assets. It's simply about owning things you can actually touch.
Direct investments in physical gold, silver, and oil provide a sturdy shield against massive market downturns. 2. Governments constantly print endless streams of worthless fiat currency. This causes your paper money to lose value incredibly fast. Tangible commodities hold their intrinsic worth because they are genuinely scarce. 1. Owning a piece of physical reality in a highly volatile digital world gives you unshakable financial sovereignty, no matter how hard the economic winds blow. 1. 2.
Number 2. This is growth aligned with sustainable values. It proves that massive profit and strong morals can coexist perfectly.
You can invest incredibly successfully in green energy today. Sustainable agriculture is another rapidly expanding growth sector right now. 1. Global governments are actively pouring absolute trillions of dollars into green infrastructure. 2. When you put your money into projects that serve humanity, you build a profound moral legacy while earning impressive market returns. 1. 2. You're literally funding the long-term survival of the planet, and you're getting very wealthy while doing it.
Number 3. We call this the strategic acquisition of rarity. This involves finding historically unique items of truly great value.
Passion-driven assets like fine art and classic cars are highly illiquid. They can't be sold with the simple click of a button. However, they appreciate significantly over a long period of time. 1. Demand vastly outstrips a strictly limited supply in these markets. Because of this, physical rarity always wins against a pile of depreciating paper currency. 2. Seeking rarity in a modern world rapidly moving toward infinite digital abundance turns your physical collections into brilliant investment tools that easily outpace global inflation. 1. 2.
Number 4. This is the comprehensive structuring of a resilient portfolio. It's really about building a modern financial architecture today.
Merging real estate, private equity, and hedge funds ensures total survival. 1. Adding cryptocurrencies and commodities creates a powerful layer of deep diversification. 2. These are completely unlinked and completely uncorrelated asset classes. They do not move in the same direction at the same time. Building this mathematical structure ensures your financial ship stays confidently afloat even if one specific economic sector entirely collapses overnight. 1. 2.
And finally, number 5. This is the absolute necessity of strict professional auditing. It demands deep research before you deploy a single cent.
You must ruthlessly analyze every potential downside before moving forward. Seek targeted advice from vetted financial professionals to protect yourself. 1. This crucial step completely protects you from catastrophic, costly stumbles. It separates reckless financial gambling from true, generational empire building. 2. Executing with a clear, unemotional strategy based entirely on cold, hard data brings you the ultimate financial freedom you desperately desire. 1, 2.
Start rebuilding your financial future with absolute, unshakable confidence today. Don't leave your wealth held hostage to outdated, failing strategies. You possess the required tools to instantly change your course. A continuous search for excellence means waking up tomorrow morning and actively demanding much more from your stagnant capital. Seek out shark advisors who deeply share your bright vision. 2. Refuse to settle for the mediocre returns of the distant past. The future belongs entirely to those who aggressively explore new horizons.
Wealth isn't just numbers glowing on a digital screen. It's pure, undeniable influence and absolute control over your life. You've crossed the bridge from the dangerous illusion of old rules to the powerful reality of alternative assets. Your lasting legacy begins with a single, highly strategic decision made today. You must become the true, unwavering leader of your own wealth. Will your legacy be a forgotten victim of the past or the brilliant architect of the future? Take absolute command of your financial empire today and build a legacy that will outlast you.